Dallas dentist has agreed to pay $1.2 million to settle Medicaid fraud allegations. Authorities have accused Dr. Richard Malouf of fraud between the years of 2004 and 2007. News 8 reported on Malouf's lavish home and two multi-million-dollar jets. While majority owner of All Smiles dental clinics, Malouf did not admit any wrongdoing.
And now tonight, 11 dental operations have their state funds suspended for credible fraud. It follows a News 8 investigation into dollars being misspent. Channel 8's Byron has the fallout from his investigation.
Bad oversight, bad regulations, and bad behavior. A state Senate committee is told those are the reasons for hundreds of millions of dollars that have been misspent on Medicaid dental. An Austin hearing backs News 8's findings. You may remember this man, one of several dental recruiters News 8 found in parking lots outside food stamp offices, trying to entice mothers to bring their children to certain dentists for Medicaid dental work.
WFAA brought those to our attention of some headhunters in eligibility parking lots. Commissioner Cease has taken some action to evict them and get them out of there.
Something's wrong, and I want my money back.
There's something going on there.
What we really want is we don't want people to do it.
The Department of Health and Human Services, the state Medicaid director, the Inspector General, and the Attorney General's office did most of the talking. State Senator Jane Nelson and colleagues did the asking. The subject, the hundreds of millions of dollars Texas taxpayers spent straightening poor kids' teeth over the last 4 years. State officials now agree much of the money was misspent, as revealed by News 8.
We cannot tolerate any misuse of our funds because we need them too desperately for the people that really need them. And that, there should have been red flags.
Some of the red flags should have come from here. TMHP, the agency that approves Medicaid dental billing. It did not have enough experts to review tens of thousands of dental records every year. One critical fact, the number of visits per patient. Private dentists normally see orthodontic patients 12 times a year. Medicaid dentists were charging taxpayers for 22 visits a year. The dentist who approved all this in this pickup truck has now been replaced by 5 dentists.
You could not have a dentist looking at every single one of them.
The Department of Health and Human Services wasn't paying attention.
We're probably at fault because of our policies.
News 8 found several dentists who billed more than other states, treating many children under the age of 12 who should only receive care in special cases. Now the treatment age has been raised to 13.
The orthodontists are figure out a way to manipulate the system.
The state has suspended millions in payments to 11 dental operations because of what it calls credible allegations of fraud. Analysis shows 90% of their patients should never have been treated. The Inspector General says the dentists who did the work should not be off the hook.
The dental professional absolutely had a responsibility to only submit those services that needed to be provided to kids in the state of Texas.
The question remains, will the state get its money back, and who, if anyone, will get punished? One state official said the money will come back, but another said maybe. The Attorney General has gotten less than $2 million back in the last 2 years, and an AG representative said probation is much more likely than prison time. Byron Harris, Channel 8 News.